I hate you all. I hate you all. Hold on. Oh, wait, wait. Okay, hype trains. Okay, Jesus Christ. Hype train started. Okay, hold on. Okay, hold on. Okay. Oh, God. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez Louise. Wait, my pen at? Okay, we gotta go. Alright, starting now.
3, 2,
Check the channel point reward for the thingamajiggy. Okay. Okay, something is immediately broken. Something is broken. Oh my god. This is the worst. This truly is a huge mistake on my part. Okay. Train. Okay, hold on. Let's see. Train here. With my eyes closed. Okay. Okay, I zoomed in. Now I don't know where it is. Ah, damn it. Where's the front of it? In the. Okay, thank God. Plump. With my left hand. Oh, Jesus. Oh my God. I regret everything. Oh. No! Okay, cool. Whatever. Is it self-portrait? Sweet. That looks pretty good. Okay, hold on. What the hell is it? Oh, is it? Oh, it's a. Also underwater. What the flip? Okay. Is this the wreath? The thing that they give to movies? Is that? No? It looks like seaweed. PogChamp, but a small version. Which one's PogChamp again? Which one's PogChamp again? Is it the... Is this? Is that the... Is it the one that was like that? That's PogChamp, right? I don't know. Broken without lifting a pen. No. This.
Time's up, pal.
Oh, thank God. Okay. Well, there you go. There you go. Hype train is long gone. Okay. Yay! Jesus Christ, what a start. Okay, let me reflect. Hold on. Let's just Okay. Well, there you go. That was the hype train. I couldn't even. I'm gonna have to look at the VOD again after this because I don't remember seeing anything. The whole thing was just a blur. Since the hype train started while we were in the intro, which I had a feeling might happen, and that's why I was a few extra minutes late, because I realized this. Did a quick test, like what would happen if the hype train started when I haven't even started the stream yet, when I'm still in the intro? What would happen? I did a test. It just starts. It just changes to the hype train, cameras on and everything. So I thought, okay, definitely have to at least add a little, like, when it's, when the alerts are paused, it has to pause. So thank goodness I did that. But even then, it didn't really help that much. Okay, why not just start without the intro? I might need to do that. From now on, no intro. Just as soon as I'm live, curtains open, and I'm there. Oh my god. Okay. Also, the song is driving me nuts. What am I doing? That's right. I got a camera's looking all weird. Oh, let me just peek at this. Oh, that's too bright. Oh, okay, it's a little bit of a little. Okay. It's okay. All right. Well, thanks again for that was the first hype train. Hope you like it. Hope it wasn't too broken. Again, I have to review the VOD to see everything that's messed up. But I think from what I saw, it looked like it was relatively running fine. The beginning was a bit iffy. Like the word in the middle of the top was not correct, I think, the first couple ones. But I think as soon as you started posting your own words, I think it started working. I do have a fallback list of words, but I don't know why I didn't use it at the beginning, at least. Oh, man. Okay, but hello everyone. Strike, Mrs. Muffin, Yodo, Dry Raise Girl. Who else we got here? We got Tofu. Hey, Tofu. Sorry to hear you're feeling sick. Hope you're feeling better soon. Hopefully the stream will cure you. It's happened before, I'm sure. Klaus is here as well, of course. Dower, Jamamp, do like a channel. Nick the Fee, Maggie. How to get Greg to start early unlocked. Oh man, I'm gonna have to change some things. Hey ZipDev XD with the 42 months. Thank you very much, ZipDev. Almost 4 years old now. Nice. Almost 4 years old and already in a wedding dress. Nice. Not controversial at all. Oh man. But you got the facial hair though. It makes sense. It's all good. Super Tux, hello. Nobody would have expected it to be broken. Sweet. I think it worked overall, right? I think. Komako, hello. Dak, hello. I'm also gonna look through the activity feed. Where is everything? Oh yeah, so thank you, by the way, for the people triggering the hype train. Klaus, Dry Raise Girl, Nick Defee. Thank you for the 100 bits, 100 bits, 100 bits. No wait, that's all it took to unleash the hype train? $3? You got me out of bed for $3? I appreciate it. Thank you very much. And Klaus, another 100 bits as well. And another 23 bits. Hey, ready, start with the 1 bit. I'm searching for you because tomorrow I have an exam. Wish me luck. Hey, well, good luck. Good luck, Ready Star. Thank you for the bit. I am like a bit wishing well. That was me accepting the bits. Thank you. Jamam sharing the watch streak of 3. I don't know what 3 means. Was that 3 months? Jamam's been watching for 3 streams? Oh, that must be it. That must be watching 3 streams in a row. That's probably what it is. Alright. Okay. What's your hype train cooldown, by the way? I don't know. Everything is set to automated. Let me have a quick peek here. What is the hype train cooldown at? I do not know. Where can I... Here it is. Yeah, it's all in like autopilot. Yeah, so I don't know. It's not sure what it is. I guess I could turn it off. Oh wow, the minimum cooldown for a hype train is 1 hour. Okay, well, let's do that then. Minimum cooldown. Yes. Okay. Sure. Minimum cooldown and like minimum time way to unlock as well. Sweet. Hey, Midsummer Sounds. Hey, Midsummer Sounds, subscribing with that Prime. Thank you very much. Welcome. Thank you very much for that. Much appreciated. And also, now that you're a sub, you get access to all my bonus panels and my Plucked Up series as well. Hatbot has told you all the information there. Oh. Hey, Kubo, welcome back. Scrolling up the chat here. Let's see here. Oh, Strike redeemed hype as a first word. Oh, okay. Okay. So that was your word. I thought it was broken, but I see it was just your word. Did it say? Did it show your username when the timer runs down? Does it? I forgot to check, but it should say your username, like submitted by yada yada. Come code. I haven't slept yet, and it's 6 a.m., so I might be dead soon. Oh, good God. Glad to hear that you're treating your body well, making your immune system fit and strong as ever. Good luck with all that. And Tapu, I had a cold a week ago, watched the stream every day, and now I'm well again. Well, there you go. It's a scientific fact that this stream cures all diseases. But yesterday it wouldn't break, so and I did this so we could save the moment you said it. Oh, well, thank you very much. I mean, to be fair, it's still, I mean, I don't think it broke. I don't think it broke. The only thing that broke was my faith in you guys to treat me nice. to give me a heads up. That's what broke. My trust in you. That's what it is. I can't fix that. Wish I could. Wish I could change the way people act with Streamabot. Yodo, I told him not to do it. I saw that. I saw it. I appreciate it. Okay. Okay. This message is green, so I don't have to read it. Nice tries. Klaus, in fact, that reminds me, I need to turn that off. How do I turn off this green text thing in my chatty? Is it called chatty? I think it's chatty. Yeah, I'm using chatty for this. Okay, so let's see. Message colors. Nope. User no. Chat colors. Here we go. Highlighted message. Green. Here we go. Now we're talking. I'm changing it to make it really pop. Really, really pop now. Here we go. Poof. Red text on white background. Okay, now I'm really seeing it. Okay. Okay, let's see. What else we gotta do today? So it's, the hype train came and gone. That was 3 weeks of my life. Well, let me show you what it was all about. I can actually show you thingamajiggies. Let's see. We can go over here to the. Huh? Look at this. See, this is the thing I accidentally revealed in yesterday's stream for like half a second. I don't know if anyone saw, but I accidentally went into this stream, into this scene, for just a moment, and I just Anyway, I got a little bit of a parallax thing going on. Supertux saw. Of course he did, Supertux. Of course he did. Also, Maggie finding that 4th spider. Congrats. Quickly growing toward double digits. Psychomanity. 59 months. Welcome back. Psychomanity. Did I miss the hype? Sure did. And I almost did too, because it happened during the intro. So yeah, we got this parallax thing going on. And then, you know, screw it. Since it's the first time, I'm just gonna manually show you how this all works, huh? This will be the first and only time I start triggering these hype trains manually, because we gotta show it off again. But before that, let me just, I haven't even tweeted that I'm live. What's a good GIF? What the hell's this song? change this music. Change this music to be this. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. Live, by the way, had to start impromptu ASAP before I could even tweet it out because the hype train started and that has no brakes. Revealing my new hype train drawer game today. Boof. There we go. I'll tweet that out. Okay, great. All right. So here we go. Here we go. This is how the hype train works. So first of all, let's get out of here. Let's go back to I don't know, just chatting, whatever. So we do this, and then this happens. It goes like this. Whoa! Red text on a red background. Not a good idea. That's gonna change. It takes you over to the hype train scene, right? Little train comes out, right? New add hype word. Man, this is loud. New add hype word channel point reward redemption thing becomes activated, so you can start adding your words. And then I push this button, and it begins.
3, 2, 1, go!
All right, and then I gotta draw stuff. I don't even know. Oh gosh. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. There we go. Poof. Hat guy man, but really, really sad. And then it goes on like this. Let me just show an example a little bit, a few examples. So the timer's set to 30 seconds right now. And then whatever I draw ends up added to the little thingamajiggy at the bottom there. This isn't a real hype train, by the way. This is me like showing off what I have created here. Oh, it just exploded. Oh, okay, well, I didn't have time to do any of it. Okay, whatever. And so on and so forth, right? The list is permanent. Oh yeah, the list is, oh, that does nothing. Okay, so I'm just gonna draw something here and then let it run in the background while I talk and explain how everything works. Okay, let me try and make this look less like Odd Ones Out. Oh, dear God. Okay. Alright, let's just... Okay. So, let me explain everything. So, okay, so it loads the earliest word that was submitted to a list. It loads it in. It also tells you who submitted it. There's a modifier phrase below that is a random predetermined list, but it's randomized each time. I need to add a lot more to that list. I was doing it this morning when I realized I didn't have enough different modifiers because I only had some for the testing. But it, yeah, it works. I'll have to add more in the future. Another thing I want to add, especially for things like this, is the ability to change. Why wasn't it recording? Why wasn't it recording? I don't know why it stopped recording. I'm not sure. I don't know. It's freaking me out. Okay, now we have another draw game to do as well. Okay. Jesus. Let's go back to draw them. Crazy. Hey, Crazy World 21. Thank you very much for the resub. Welcome back. 7 months. Not sure what this is all about. Remove the coins. I don't know how.
Was out when they put it in.
I think it only goes away if there's a bit donation. Hold on. Wait, hold on. First, let me just go to back here. Okay, let's see. How do I remove? I mean, the coins do look nice, but they shouldn't be there. Oh, Yuko, thank you very much. Wow, look at all those. Damn, look at that exchange rate. 100 bits, a whole pile. Thank you very much. Just flexing all my money on you guys. Thank you very much, Yuko, for fixing that. You got there before I could. Strange how the bug fixes always involve money. It's just a coincidence. What the fuck? Wait, what? What have I done? Oh. Oh no, I think it requires bits to fix. No, I got it, here we go. I don't know how I did that. Did I push a button? I don't know. Okay, well. Oh. Let's. What the hell is this song? Jesus Christ. Okay. Captain Fabulous, this is confusing. How do I unsub? You can't unsub. Permanent. Okay. We're back to this now. Pokemon Cockatiel Vortex. Let's do it. Starting now. Oh man, look at all that time. I feel like it's like when you come off an escalator and you're back to just walking, like, whoa, everything is so slow. Okay. I don't know what color the cockatiel's feet are, but I'm just going with the orange anyway. I'm going to change this to... I forget, is Pikachu's tail like a stripe, or is it the whole thing that's dark? I think it's just... I can't tell. I can't remember now. What is Pikachu's tail like? Is it the entire tip, or is it just like a stripe? The whole tip. Okay, the whole tip. Okay. It's green. Okay, there we go. That's the cockatiel part, and then we got to do the... Whoa! Ooh. Excuse me. Crocodile, no! Isn't the other side of the tail dark? Wait, I'm confused. What are you talking about? Thank you for the good sun hats, by the way. The end of the tail is not black, it's a Mandela effect. What? What? Wait, is it not? Then I'm confused. The other side is the dark part. Hey Siri, show me a picture of Pikachu right now.
Here are some images of Pikachu right now from the web. Take a look.
Wait, he doesn't have a black part on his tail at all. Wait, what? Show me more pictures! I can't find it. All the pictures are cropped at it's just the face, it was a portrait. The base of the tail is the dark part. Oh! The base of the tail is the dark one. Like this? The part by the butt is brown. Well, now you're just being disgusting. Let's see here. What else? Oh yeah, we gotta add some zap, zap, zap. Oh, he's getting mad and confused. Pretty good. I mean, still 55 seconds. Oh my god. Okay, still got tons of time. Let's see if we can make the vortex look a little bit nicer. Whoa! Oh, hey! Ace is here. Ace!
Time's up, pal.
I mean, that's pretty good. Shade the tail. Eh. Eh. Oh, that's pretty good. Right? Cheat? That's not cheat. What? Whatever. I can't cheat in this game because I am the game. I am the game. I am the rules. I am everything. I am nothing. Actually, that's my thought process, like at the end of every day. Excellent. Okay, well, I think that worked out pretty well. Let's export that. Like so. Oof. Looks pretty good. Dang. What is that? Official leaked concept art from the next Pokemon game? I think so. Hey. Oh my face, you're so pretty. What's this, Yoda? Which one looks better to you? Let's see here. We got another Dwarven Words. I haven't forgotten. We've got another one to do. But first, check out the link. Sorry, I just realized there's something weird going on with the. I have like a split recording functionality that's I don't think is working correctly. Check recording split actions because I have the recordings are supposed to split the VOD recordings when I go into Draw Them Words. So then I have Draw Them Words as a separate recording from everything else, because I usually edit the Draw Them Words parts to make like these like shorts and reels or whatever. And I don't want to like keep and import a whole like 10 gigabyte VOD file just to get, 5 minutes. But I'm not sure if it's really working today. Well, whatever. I'll figure it out later. But first, let's check out Yoyoto. Which one looks better to you? Let's see. What have you got for us? Which one looks better to me? I like this. The left one is the original one. The left one's the original, I think, right? The right one... Oh, I don't know which one I like better, though. I think I'd almost like it better if the tail, the black bit, was straight here, not so jaggedy. I think the jaggediness makes it look kind of too busy. Like, there's just too many jaggies. Like, the shape of the tail is already jaggy enough. Then you got these extra spikes. Too many. I like the simplicity of the left one. The left one is real, the right one is the Mandela effect. That is weird, though. I did totally think there was a dark bit at the end of Pikachu's tail. Not so jaggedy, but like a stripe or something. Charlie Brown, that's what yeah, I was thinking that too. It looks like Charlie Brown. Funny that. Huh. Mandela effect. Pace, come here. Okay, let's give Pace a few bickies, and then we'll do some more Draw Them Words. How about that? Oh gosh. I'm gonna brighten up the camera as well. What a cutie. Don't touch me. No cameras. Almost looked like Pace just gave us a wink there. Pace, you're drowning. Thank you very much. Okay, let's see. All right, what are we doing here? Wolfie, my new cat is in heat and keeps trying to get my other cat's attention. He doesn't seem interested though. Maybe you need to get your cat like some new perfume or something. Maybe like a Victoria's Secret purchase. A Victoria's Sea Cat. Trying to think of puns. I can't think of any. Oh, did anyone else hear that? I was in yesterday's stream a few times. A loud beep? A loud beep? I don't think there was any beep. Was there? Just now? Is it in the... Can you clip it and see if it's in the clip? Curious. Oh, it's you? Oh! What is it? Okay, and also in the meantime, we got a second Draw Them Words. So let's do that right now. I just realized what I did wrong. When OBS crashed, I started streaming, but I didn't start recording. Nope, that's not the right button either. No! Oh no, did I not record like a whole chunk of that stream? That's a shame. Let me just have a quick check here. I hate you all. I hate you all. Hold on. Okay, and it goes. Oh yeah, and then it crashes, and then the next one is. Why wasn't it recording? Why wasn't it recording? I don't know why it stopped recording. I'm not sure. I don't know. Damn. That's annoying. God damn it! Oh god. Oh, whatever. That's just gonna be disappointing for the 10 people that watch my VODs on YouTube. You'll have to record the Twitch VOD. The problem with that, though, is that the Twitch VOD has music in it. When I record it locally, it doesn't record the music, so then there's no issues on YouTube. Not so much that there's like a copyright issue. I don't know if I've got YouTube safe filters on. I don't think I do. Maybe I should. But even so, I like that the YouTube VODs just don't have music in them at all, because then it becomes more like a podcast or something that you can listen to on the side if you don't want to hear the music. But oh well. Oh well. Yeah, it's not a huge deal, I guess. It pains me more because I'm a all or nothing kind of guy. I hate the idea that only some of it is now on the YouTube VOD channel, you know? I'd rather there's no VODs at all than just like some of it. I don't know, it pains me. Oh well, whatever. Moving on. Let's continue to... I don't like this song. I'm gonna change that. I'm gonna change over to this station, pop station. Oh shit, sorry, I should be accepting words. Add your words. Let's see. Hurricane. OBS is a feature that you can separate the audio out and make sure the Twitch VODs don't have the music. Oh, yeah, it was. I did hear something about that. I thought... I'll have to look into that. Thank you for the reminder. I remember... Yeah, I thought there was a reason why I didn't do it. Maybe it was too problematic back then, but it's been a while now, so maybe they've ironed out all the bugs. So I should definitely check it out again. Thank you for the reminder. OBS Twitch VOD music track thingy. Thank you for that. Yeah, I think I stayed away from it because I heard people having issues with it, and it scared me off. But yeah, that was a while ago. So maybe now it's better. Sledgehammy. Thank you for all your words. Strike, speaking of YouTube, I keep forgetting to tell you this. I recently watched your YouTube shorts, and they are amazing. Well, thank you very much. I bet they are a lot of work because you edit them and they only get 100 views or so, but I think they're really good. Just wanted to let you know. Hope you make more. Oh, well, thank you very much, Strike. Thank you very much. Appreciate that. Yeah, I've started to make edits, like short 1-minute edits of the stream, mostly of Draw Them Words. And I share them on YouTube and Instagram and TikTok. So yeah, while the YouTube one doesn't get very many views, the TikTok and Instagram ones do. So that makes me feel a bit better. In fact, I uploaded one just today. But I have to make more because I've just run out. The last one I made and posted was the Churchill Virus Churchill Cupid one. And then I also post... Oh yeah, so I make the vertical versions. Okay, wait, here we go. I make a normal version that's like widescreen, whatever, widescreen. And then I upload it and convert it to a vertical version, which I then use to post to social media. But I will post the normal version, the widescreen version, to Twitter. Because I don't know, I feel like feel like Twitter is still, I think people prefer the widescreen version. I don't know. But either way, now there's at least both kinds on the internet somewhere, wide and vertical. Twitch VOD track. Okay, yes. I will look into that. Thank you very much, Hurricane. I will look into that. And okay, let's see what words we have to do. They are as such. Church, Cocaine Bear, and Taco. Church, Cocaine Bear, Taco. Cocaine Bear being a reference to the new movie with the same name. I don't know much about it. Apparently it's based on a true story. Don't know how much that's true, but it seems like one of those fake movies that you see inside of like GTA or something. Is it out yet? Do people like it? I don't know. Let's see here. Let me think about this. Also, Spaghetti Bro. I got a notification that you weren't live. I don't remember following you, but I am enjoying your stream, so I'll stick around. Nice. Well, thank you very much, Spaghetti Bro. I guess if you can't remember following me, that makes you spaghetti-full. Right? Anyone? Spaghetti-full? Like forgetful. Whatever. Whatever. Also, now I'm not farting. That's a helicopter outside. If you can hear, I don't know if you can hear this, but that's a helicopter waiting for it to pass. Okay, whatever. Church, Cocaine Bear, Taco. Okay, let's see. Let's think. Let's think. Church, Cocaine Bear, Taco. Church, Cocaine Bear, Taco. Taco. Church, Cocaine Bear, Taco. Okay, I got Cocaine Bear and Taco. How did I get church in there? Stroik finding that spider. Congrats. The real Cocaine Bear got a hold of a bunch of cocaine, ran in a straight line, and overdosed. So the movie did embellish some things. Okay. Okay. The bear ran in a straight line and an overdose. And by that I mean, I guess it died? Yeah, I feel like they might have embellished some things to stretch that out to an hour and a half. You're commenting on every short I ever made? Oh, thank you very much, Dry Raise Girl. Oh, you know what I should be doing? Which I think I started, but then I forgot. I think I should be linking to the YouTube short in some way in the Discord, the stream highlights channel. I should probably do that. I forgot, totally forgot to do that. Oh well. Okay. Let's see. What do we have? Cocaine Bear, Taco, Church. 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 Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay, I can get Cocaine Bear Church, and I got Cocaine Bear Taco, but I don't have a combination of the two. Let's see. Cocaine Bear, Church, Taco. Church. Cocaine Bear is eating a taco at a potluck at church. Wolfie, I have 5 minutes to draw this thing, not 5 hours. God damn. Joy loves Hollow Knight. It's 4 AM here, but this is more important. Well, thank you very much. Joy loves Hollow Knight. Welcome here. And I approve of your message there. And Exacomics is on with it, Gregor. I know. I'm trying to think. Wait. Hey, Exacomics. Bold talk from you. I'd love to see you try and do this thing. The stress of it all, the pressure. Okay, I'm just gonna start. Screw this. Okay. Oh my god. The bear looks Oh no, the bear looks angry. Okay, whatever. I think that's supposed to be a bear. There we go. We need to. Okay. And now here comes the taco part. And here comes the cocaine part. Okay. And now for the church part. There we go. And so taco. I'm more of a burrito kind of guy, so I don't really know what I'm doing there. There we go. Think that kind of works. And then the cocaine part. Add a bunch of cocaine everywhere. How much time do I have? 2 minutes. 2 minutes to go. And then let's do some shading. Let's see. Shading. How to shade this bear. The shading is way too intense, but I'll fix that soon. There we go. And then shading on the cocaine itself.
Bobby.
1 minute to go. Uh-huh. I mean, I think that's what cocaine looks like. I really don't have any idea. I'm basically just thinking powdered sugar and flour. How do I continue with this? Oh yeah, let's see. Maybe I need some... Yeah, I think that works.
Time's
Boom.
up, pal.
Church! Cocaine bear! Taco! There you go. Thank you very much for the hydration. Okay, I think that turned out pretty well. Let's see, what's this? The bears looks like rice. If I have to be brutally honest, it does look a bit like rice or cottage cheese. Yeah, it. I think the problem was it's too humid where this bear is, or it's the bear is sweating so much it's made all the cocaine kind of clumpy and sticky. That's my reasoning. That's the lore behind anything you think might be a bad thing is actually fully justified and explained. There we go. So I'm going to export this thingy now. And boom, 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 boom. There it is. Church Cocaine Bear Taco. Thank you very much. Meow. Speaking to the microphone. Oh, cute. Meow. Oh, I wonder if there's new merch in store. Well, there is. Look at this shirt right there. Very appropriate. Actually, I should be wearing the other shirt for today's stream. The one where the stress bar exploded. That would be more appropriate. I gotta get rid of this. This music is. I gotta figure out my music problem. I'm never happy with the music. I feel like ever since we stopped playing Spotify music, I've just never been the same. Life's never been the same. Quiet artist. My heart! I am dead. She did a meow. Yeah, Pace is a very meowy bee. Just cut the music part of the audio off the VOD. Just cut the music part off. Yeah, no, Rishu. I mean, I already am doing that. The recordings on OBS don't include the music, but I'm gonna look into the OBS Twitch VOD track thingy majiggy that it also stops the music from being in the Twitch VOD. But it don't stop the clips from having music, so it's not like we can play copyright music and get away with it because it's not in the VOD, because the clips will still have, as far as I can tell. I'm pretty sure the clips are still with music, right? Foxy Plenty? Cat is like, why'd you stop? Why'd you stop? Cute. Don't touch my beans. Cutie. All right. This microphone's like unfortunately right in the way of face to face. I'm just making it worse. There we go. I guess I kind of... Sure, now I can't see the screen at all, but okay. Let's see here. Reshoot, that's what I was talking about. It keeps it out of the Twitch VOD. No, the clips don't have music either. It puts it in a completely different channel. Oh, snap! Okay, okay, well that changes everything. If you do the Twitch VOD music thing on a different channel, the clips don't have music either. Huh. Okay, well now consider my interest piqued. Though, I still feel like you can't play... I have to look into this. I don't know, but it still feels like you can still get like copyright strike with the live broadcast if you're playing copyright music, even if it's on the VOD. But I'm not sure. I don't know now. I'll look into it. But that'd be awesome if we could. Okay, let's see. What are we doing here? We were doing something with... Oh, that's right. We were doing... That's right. We're going to ask ChatGPT a question here. Hello, how are you today? I was wondering if you could tell me how to go about coding a Twitch extension that lets you... Let's say... That lets you... That lets you... like manipulate a website? Nah, how do you even start? Also, hey, Clock, by the way. And Case Celia as well. Hello, hello. Welcome back. That lets you create a character and export a string. Yeah. That lets you create a character and export a string. With those... with the chosen customizations. Hair, body, eyes, mouth. Let's just see. Hello, I'm an... Ah, for fuck's sakes. Oh, okay, that was just my pleasantry. Hello, I'm an AI language model, so I don't have emotions like humans, but I'm here to help you with the question. Okay. No need to ask how they are. To create a Twitch extension that lets users create a character and export a string with customizations, you can follow these general steps. First, create a web application. You can create a web... Oh, Jesus Christ. Create a UI. Save the character because... this ain't a help. This probably... Wait. Integrate the extension with Twitch. You will need to integrate your extension with Twitch using the Twitch Extension Developer Rig. This will allow you to test and deploy your extensions on the Twitch platform. I already have a character customizer on a website using JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. How can I let users view and interact with that within a Twitch extension? Also, wait, I don't even know what a Twitch extension is. Is a Twitch extension the stuff that's on top of the overlay? And on top of the stream, sorry? Or is it a thing that's like in the info section, like where you have like your social media links and those little info stuff? Is it the same thing? Is it called the same? Oh, it applies to both. Okay. Also, SuperTux. You can't get copyright striked in the future when clips VODs don't have music, because maybe you are allowed to play the music now, but maybe in 2 years the licensing changes and they start to strike VODs with it. They start to strike VODs with it. You mean they start to strike streams with it? Because I'm pretty sure you can get striked live. But then again, we're such small peanuts that maybe it's fine. I'll look into this. Maybe we can do something about the music. If you already have a character customizer on a website, you can embed the customizer into a Twitch extension using the Twitch extension JavaScript helper library. Oh, here we go. I know some of these words. Here's how you can do it. First, create a Twitch extension. You'll need to create a Twitch extension using the Twitch Developer Console. Choose panel as the extension type and select HTML, CSS, JavaScript as the content type. Load the JavaScript helper library. In your HTML file, include the Twitch extension JavaScript helper library using the following script tag. Okay. sounds kind of sus. Does it? I was gonna say it sounds kind of legit. It sounds like the right thing to do. This library provides functions for interacting with the Twitch Extension Helper API, which allows your extension to communicate with Twitch. 3. Embed your character customizer. Next, you can embed your character customizer in the extension using an iframe. In your HTML file, add an iframe element with the source set to your customizer's URL. Okay. Make sure your customizer is responsive and fits with the panel size of your Twitch extension. Communicate with Twitch Extension Helper API. Now that your customizer is embedded into your Twitch extension, you can use the Twitch Extension Helper API to communicate with Twitch. For example, you can use the Twitch ext.unauthorized function to detect when a user has authorized your extension and perform certain actions such as loading the user's saved character data. Woo! Okay, now we're getting to the deep end. You can find more information, documentation. That's it! With these steps, you can embed your existing character customizer into Twitch extension. But how? but how? Write all the code for me, please. Pretty helpful though, I think, right? Sounds pretty good. And SuperTux, if you're allowed to stream music now, like from Pretzel, then you can't get strike live. But if the license of a song you played through Pretzel changes in the future, they can then start to try to strike the VOD because you played the song 2 years ago. Oh, okay. Well, that's like a whole other fear of mine. I was just meaning more like if I start playing, I don't know, Take On Me by Aha on stream, but we have that Twitch VOD music track so that it doesn't save the song into the VODs or clips. Technically, I'm still breaking the law, or the Twitch law, right? Toto Africa. That should have been my go-to example. What am I saying? Take On Me. Toto Africa. Really sure it's simple, Greg. Just make the extension. Duh. Doy. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't even know where to begin. Well, I feel like if I were to do this, I'd have to do it off stream because I feel like I'm gonna have to like sign in and like put in like authorizing, I don't know, stream keys or something. Maybe. It actually might be easy to create your type of extension because it's static. Mine was super hard because I wanted it to communicate with a server. Huh. Okay, well, okay, let's try it out, shall we? I don't know. Is this even something we should be doing on stream? Probably not. Probably not. Hold the phone. I'm just gonna do something here. Okay. All right. Oh God. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna make this bigger. Okay. Drop that. All right. Okay. I can change my. Oh yeah, cat's gone. Let's put this down a bit so I can see things better. Okay, what do we do? So, first things first. Create a Twitch extension. First, you'll need to create a Twitch extension. Use a developer console. Choose panels of the extension type. Okay. Developer console. Let's do that. It looks like this right now. I got 3 going on. Clip getter, online check, clip downloader. We want to, what did it say? I already forgot. Choose panel as the extension type. Okay, create extension. Okay, name the extension. Hmm. We'll call it character customizer. Can you do a space? Character customizer. Oof. All right. So far, so good. Oh, that was a close one. Did I manage to fuzz that in time? Did I fuzz that in time? I did? Oh my goodness. Because yeah, it's like, here's your Twitch API client ID. Oh shit. Okay, just don't show the secret. Okay, yes. Okay, all right. Let's see. I'm gonna hide that. Please tell us more about your extension, add version number, add type of extension you want to create, a brief summary of what your extension does, a full description, as well as your contact information. All additional information will be auto-generated by our system you can manage at any time. Okay. All right, I can show this part. Type of panel. Type of extension. Panel. Okay, version number 0.01. Okay. Summary. Oh, the client ID is the username. Oh, okay, so it's not the end of the world if people saw it, right? The summary is viewable by streamers and viewers throughout Twitch. It should be one of 2 brief sentences. Okay, let's see. Customize your overlay character. Customize your character's look in the overlay. Short and sweet. Description. Full details with the functions of your extension. I wonder, you're saying export it as a string, Yoda, but I wonder if we're going this far, if it's already part of Twitch, could it also not? Nah, I couldn't, could it? Even if it communicates with the stream, how does it communicate with StreamerBot? Nah, screw it. Customize your character. I'll leave that in the description. Choose your character's looks and styles, and then copy the exported code into the channel point reward that lets you then save your... Oh god, this is so tedious now. I don't think I've done a good job of describing this. Choose your character's looks and styles. Don't even choose your character's look. Yeah, and then copy the exported code into the channel point reward that lets you save your uploads that saves your to your account. Ask ChatGPT to describe it. Well, then that isn't it just going to be hard because then I have to describe it to ChatGPT. So I may as well just describe it here, right? I'm not really expecting to write some like beautiful prose, poetic limericks or anything. Viewer summary. The viewer summary helps viewers understand what your extension does and how they can interact with it when it's activated on a stream. The hell? Isn't this just a summary? The viewer summary. Oh, this is for people, like, if they want to include it on their stream. Well, I don't want to do that. This is for me only. Customize characters look in the loading artist overlay. Yeah. I want to make it includable anyway. Yeah. I'm just going to copy and paste it. Good idea. Author name, author email, Support email. Okay. All right, well, it doesn't really matter, does it? Loading artist. Author email. Loadingartist.com. Support email. Whatever. I'm gonna be the only one using it, so I'm gonna be emailing myself if I have problems. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna make it private either way. Create extension. Okie dokie. So far, so good. Current status, local test. Base URI. Always sounds like an STD. Localhost 8080. Config.html. Panel.html. Download developer rig. Get sample code. Oh boy. Acid hosting. Oh lordy. Getting tired. Hey. Batter is tenudo? LOL. Let's see, what does this do? Get sample code. Oh boy. Get back over here. Download developer rig. Oh, it's downloading something. 76 megabytes. Next steps. Reference local test files. Use the asset hosting tab to provide. I'm out of my element. I put SuperTux's email on the support one. Yeah, I should, class. I like how there's just this basic as hell CSS in the corner here. Real basic. Go back to ChatGPT. All right, with pleasure. Okay, so we've done this. Okay, we didn't manage to select the content type. That wasn't anywhere. Oh well. Load the JavaScript helper library. In your HTML file, include the extension by using the script tag. Okay, I'm going to copy this code. I'm going to go into my code here. Copy it into my HTML file. So I got my HTML file here. Let me move this over here and move this over here. Okay, I guess I'll put it at the bottom here. Oof. Right after my customizer. Okay. I'm gonna hit save. Next. This library provides functions. Embed your character customizer using an iframe. In your HTML file, add an iframe element with the source set to your customizer's URL. In your HTML file, add an iframe element with the source set to your customized URL. Oh my! Oh no! Wait, this has to be. Wait, isn't this? This is going to be my Twitch extension HTML file, not my HTML file. Okay. All right. So this is actually going to be. Okay, I get you. Twitch. Jesus Christ. What does the sample code look like again? Jesus Christ. What have you got me started with? Gregory might have more win with this. 101 tutorial series how to create an extension. What does that look like? Okay, here we go. 101. Let's start. If you do not already have a Twitch account, go to Twitch and create an account using sign up button. Okay, this is a lot more our tempo. So far, so good. Loving it. Let's move this thing away to the side. You'll need to enable two-factor authentication. Sure, done. Man, we are zooming along. Create the extension in the console. I think we did this. Oh yeah, we did all this. Sweet. Now. Wait, I'm lost again. Extension life cycle. The extension. Huh? Wait, is that it? Where's the next step? Where's the next button? Top. Oh, top. Oh, top left over here. Oh, I see. Twitch extensions tutorial. Okay, here we go. This requires. Okay, sweet. HTML. Know that. CSS. Know that. JavaScript. Know that. Step by. Oh God. Okay, that's. Okay, this is a little bit too basic now. Okay. Oh, hey. Thanks. Okay, here we go. 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 This is the right one. Extension file structure and HTML views. Environment setup. In this section, we're going to start building the extension. But before that, you need to download the starter code from the following GitHub repository using the green clone or download button here. Okie dokie. We go over here. Sweet. To do, add content. Oh, this is just the base template. Okay. What was it? The green button. Clone or download. Let's see. Let's download this. Okay. Save these files. Okay, hold on. Bear with me here. I'm just gonna go and open that. Export that zip file. Wait, where did it download? Oh, it's in a different downloads folder. That's annoying. Okay, I'm gonna unzip that. Okay, let's see. I'm just gonna copy this file into. Hey, here's a question. Do you think I should copy these files into my like website directory, or is this? I'm assuming at some point I have to host this stuff, so it should be in the website directory, right? I can make a new static folder. I'm gonna call it. I mean, my local website directory. I won't upload it just yet. So I'm going to call it Twitch Customizer. Sure. I'm going to paste it there. Okay. I'm also going to run a local server. Yeah, right. I should probably change my stream title so that people know what the hell it is I'm doing here. Attempting to create a Twitch extension for character customization Lamau. Class. Imagine your job was building walls, and then one day someone asks you to fit a window. You could probably do it, but maybe not very well. Now imagine 50 people watching you do it. Welcome to the stream. As if I can build walls either. Okay, save these files in the local directory. Okay, cool. Done. Feel free to open these files in a text editor and follow along as we walk through the basic front-end architecture of the extension. Okay, cool. We can open this in our Visual Studio Code. Sweet, which looks like. Oh, Christ. So if I scroll down here, there we go. Okay. All right. So. Wait, why the? Oh, I see. Oh my God, there's just so much to do here. Oh my God, let's see. Continuing on. Important, this code is intentionally incomplete. If you get stuck, Okay, click step 2 on GitHub and download those files. Wait, step 2? Oh, Jesus. I'm lost. Click step 2 on GitHub. Step 2? I'm already confused. Read the bit before that. Okay, hold on. Save these. Okay, alright. Important. This code is intentionally incomplete. If you get stuck, you can instantly wrap to the next step by switching branches. Oh, I see. Oh, you can't even read what I'm reading because of this thing in a way. Oopsies. Okay, touche. Touche, touche. So screw that. Jump over here. I should read everything. Hey, Firefly. Also, Clock, you forgot to mention Hot Tub Stream in my Twitch description. And I do like a channel. I have no idea what anyone is talking about anymore. You and me both. So basically, I'm trying to add the character customizer thingy, this thingy, to a Twitch extension so people can like do it in Twitch and update the character that way. Attempting that anyway. Front end is composed of HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. Every extension needs to be comprised of at least 2 front-end pages, the viewer and configuration page. The viewer page is what the viewers will see and interact with on the broadcaster's channel, and the configuration page is what the broadcaster sees when they're going through the extension's configuration process, which is a one-time setup and installing the extension. Okay. There's an additional front end for the broadcaster's live experience in our... What? WYR extension. We are going to start with these 3 front ends. So they've got the viewer page. Viewers will be able to build their own would you rather questions from a list of options and submit them to the broadcaster. We've got the live configuration page. As viewers submit their would you rather questions, they will be shown to the broadcaster in real time via this page. And then we got the configuration page. The broadcaster will be able to see all the possible would you rather options and then only choose the ones they would feel comfortable answering. Okay. All right, so this one is the viewer page. This one is the configuration page. And this one's the live configuration page. No. I'm confused already. I don't know what's going on. Oh gosh. Danny Player One, I've spent almost an hour trying to color in some line art and I am tired and happy about it. How do you draw and paint for hours? Reluctantly. Put on some music and just lose yourself. Left is config, right is live config. Okay, this is the config one. Which one do we need? Just need 2 of them. The viewer and the config, right? Viewer to select the character and config to have the choices. Yeah. The hamster, yay. When is the next comic? Well, the next Plucked Up comic is this weekend. And the next Loading Artist comic is next week. Also, hey, Rainforester. What does your current site have? Oh, my current site is this. You know what? I think maybe, you know what I think? I think I am drowning in the deep end here. I think what we should probably be focusing on is making sure that this thing even works. And then once I have all this stuff working, then we can plug this into a Twitch extension. Maybe I'm crazy, but I think that might be the best way forward here. Because otherwise, I mean, I'm just gonna drown, and then I'm gonna just delete everything and just pretend like this never happened. Yes, I think that might be the best way forward here. But it is cool to know that it is possibly a possibility to have users change the character's look and save it directly on Twitch. That would be pretty cool. But not necessary. But would be cool. But I think the main necessary thing is to be able to choose your thing here, have it spit out a string, and then you put that string in a channel point reward, and then that saves your character. I'd be happy if that works. Alright, in which case, let me just hide all this crap. And just pretend like nothing happened. Speaking of which, I think I might BRB for a little bit, just to refresh my brain and try and delete all of those thoughts I just had, so I don't go crazy. I'll be right back. See you in a minute and a half or so. BRB. Ooh, my ears. My ears hurt. Hey, welcome back. Alright. You know, I was thinking about something. I thought it'd be kind of neat if, so, first of all, let me just change my stream title away from this Twitch extension thingy. I'm just going to call it Working on Character Customizer Super Casually. Lamel. Yeah, okay. So, what I was thinking was, ChatGPT is what a lot of people use to do like mundane, boring stuff. Like coders use it because it's an easy way of getting like just the dumb, time-consuming stuff out the way, so you can focus on the more interesting stuff. And I had an idea. I haven't tried this out yet, but I think it could be interesting if we try to use ChatGPT to create a JSON file that lists all the different like hair and body types and stuff for me automatically without me having to manually type it out line by line. That could be interesting to see if it works. Interesting. Hey, it's interesting to some people, like me. Also, hey, Sarisi, hello. How you doing? Welcome back. There you are. Whoops, there you are. Talking about Bruce Willis reminds me that he has dementia now. I know. That is very sad, isn't it? Especially after, like, when everyone was, like, making fun of, like, how many bad movies he's in recently and stuff, and now you kind of realize he's just doing as many movies as he can before the dementia kicks in. Pretty sad. Pretty sad state. But, wishing all the best to him. Hope, I don't really know much about the dementia. Not sure how much you can curb it or not. If you can catch it sooner than later, I don't know. Don't really know anything about it. But it's scary as hell. Also, super text was this. Okay, if you just want to embed the customizer below your stream, it might be really easy as adding an iframe, embedding your customizer from the website on panel.html, and then upload that to Twitch and activate it on your channel. Cool. I have a good feeling about it, but I think I'm going to keep it as a lower priority thing first. First, I got to make sure it even works and up and running and stuff, and then we put it on Twitch. So here is my dilemma. So let's just hide this. Let's hide this Twitch thingy for a second, and let me just show you how my customizer data looks like right now. So I got this data.json file, and in it we have base URL, which you don't have to even look at. That's just describing the different folders for different images. So in our hair folder, we have all the different hair. We got eyes folder for all the different eyes, yada yada. Anyway, hair options. We got hair 1, hair 2, backwards hat underscore hat back, beanie blue, hair 1 underscore hat back, and then we have these like attributes, which are actually not necessary for most of them. These are more just placeholder, because the only attribute that I use right now is if they have a hair back. Hair back is when there's like a second PNG that's behind the head, so you can have like the backwards cap, for example. You have the front part, and then behind the head you have the brim of the hat. But not every hair type has that, so I have to say hair back true if that's the case. And I know if it's true because in the file name I'll have HB. I could probably, there's probably a more efficient way of doing this where it's like, it can actually read if it has underscore HB in the file name and then use that as the hair back is true. Maybe. It's probably a smarter way of doing it. But I don't know how to do that. I have it working like this. And again, these ones, not really necessary to have these attributes at the moment. So I'm just gonna remove. I'll keep one, why not? I'll keep one just so I know what it was like. In case I ever do need to add attributes back in. There you go, save that. Now it's a little bit easier to see. The base URL thing looks like something just ChatGPT made. Then doesn't make much sense, as you could just also use the paths directly instead of accessing a path from the JSON with a key that is exactly the same as the key. Okay, I don't know what you just said, but it sounds smart. You mean like I could have just had the base URL in here instead of a JSON file, something? I don't know. Oh, here's another thing that I think is bad with my JavaScript. So I go up here. I have this function, change hair, and then ChatGPT put this next thing in the brackets. And it's like, if next, then change the hair option to be plus like the next one. If not, change it to be the previous one. And this is what I'm using for the next and previous buttons. And then also, then it says, then you replace the hair that's visible with the number of whatever hair option we're currently at in that array.png. And if it has hair back, then also include the hair back picture PNG as well. I don't think this is the right way of doing this because I have the exact same code later on when it's checking the URL parameters. So it's like, if there's a hair in the URL, change the hair PNG to be whatever that is. If there's hair back, change that. But I don't know how to combine the two because one is basing it off the name of the hair and the other one's basing it off the number of the entry of the hair, if that makes sense. Probably doesn't. Probably doesn't. But either way, whatever the hell. Right now I just have like kind of doubling up in code, but it's the least of my problems right now. Anywho, back to this. Also, you can just look at your Git history if you want to see how something was before you delete it. So no need to keep code you don't need anymore. Everything is still in the Git. Oh, cool. So I don't need this customize it underscore old. Good to know. Good to know, Supertext. Okay, anyways. So we got hair and stuff. Now, I could, if I wanted to, just add a comma, add a new entry, go label, go colon, go space, go quote, and then type in the next one, and then comma. Oh, no comma, and that's it, and then comma that one. I could do that. Or I could try and use ChatGPT to do all that crap for me. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go and get my files list that looks like, wait, how can I show this off? How can I show this off? How can I show this off? I guess I could just show my monitor. It's nothing bad is in this view, is there? Nah, I'm sure it's fine. I can just show my monitor. So, oops. It looks like this. I got a text file with all the different file names of the different hair. So if I copy this, and then I go into my ChatGPT and I say, hey, can you convert this list of files into a JSON array? But remove .png and call it, what do we call it? Label. And call each entry data type as label. I don't even know if that's the right terminology, but and then we just go boop and then boop. Huh? Right? How cool is this? So cool. That's like, it's probably like the best example I've showed off with ChatGPT so far, to be honest. And then we just go copy code, and I go back to my my JSON file, and I just boop. There it is. Of course, we'll have to remove some of the ones we already have. Man, that looks way neater than what I have. But yeah, the formatting is way nicer. So we don't need that one. Also, we don't need that square bracket. And what are the other ones? We don't need this one. And we don't need these ones. And that's it. Save. Oh, I should just remove the ones I have. Oh yeah, that makes more sense. Just remove the ones I have, than removing the new ones. But the thing is, I need to have these extra attributes. So, it would be cool if it could just tell if it has _HB in the label, and if it does, that counts as hairback true. Yeah, like, check if the current hairstyle has a hairback attribute. If hair options current hair option dot hairback, like if that label exists, whatever, then do this. But what if there's a way I could say, if it contains _HB in the hair, ask ChatGPT. Let's try that. Let's try that. Also, what is this? Punny comic titles over here on the side there. I've tried asking ChatGPT to come up with comic titles for me before. It's never worked perfectly, but it's definitely helped, like, show me words that I haven't thought of before. Also, hey, Petaniel? Petinal? Hi, it's me, Mario. Well, hello, Mario. Welcome to the stream. I think that's how to pronounce your name. There's another way of pronouncing it, but I'm not sure if that's the right way. Thought I would err on the side of caution there. Let's see. Ask GPT if you can do that. Yeah, let's see. Sorry, excuse me. Let me think about this. If I just take this and I go in ChatGPT and I say, can I change, how can I change this so that instead of looking for a hair back attribute, it instead sees if there's _HB in the hair label attribute in whatever, and then I paste the code, I enter it, and see what it says. Hey, Pete and Steph, thank you for the follows. To check if there's an HB in the hair label attribute instead of using the hair back attribute, you can replace the if statement with the following code. It's so cool, I love this. I love it. Oh my god. It gets me aroused. If hair options, current hair option dot label oh, there we go. That includes. That's what I was needing. That is good stuff. Good stuff. Oh man, and then all I gotta do is copy. I go into my code and I go paste. Also, I'm gonna just change the formatting to be nice again. There you go. Save this. Go into my local site. So this is the local site. I go to character / customizer. Whoops. .html. There we go. And now this should be the new version. What did I do? Oh yeah. Then you can do this, and look at that. It is. Aha. Okay, I got another problem here. I gotta. Okay, this is good to know. Got another problem. I gotta make sure that I gotta have another attribute in the URL or the file name that stops eyes from showing. Hey Yuko! Gifting a sub to Rainforester. Rainforester, congrats. Yuko, thank you very much. But yeah, check that. This works though. See, like if there's a hair back, it adds hair back. If there's no hair back, it don't. And you can change the color. Super cool. But you can't get like the one problem though with this color slider is that you can't get normal hair colors like brown. You can't go brown. You can go orange and then blonde, but there's no brown or black or gray, which is a shame. Need to figure out how to do that. I'm not sure if I can change just the base color from green to like not green. Like, see that if it was like something like dark like that hat, I can get like a brown. Still can't get black or gray though. Not really sure how to best do that. I should just ask ChatGPT. But yeah, that's working nicely. And it's got all the different hair as well that we have at the moment. Excellent. Make it a color wheel picker. Well, that's I tried that, and that was a big problem. I tried making it a color picker, and for some reason, it would always do the opposite of what I wanted. So if I picked red, it would make everything green, and if I picked green, it would make everything orange. I don't know. I tried making it a color wheel. I like the simplicity of the slider, but yeah, it's not really great, is it? Not perfect. And the problem as well is that you're not really coloring it, you're just changing the hue. So it's going to be confusing, like, if say this is default and say you want the hat to be, you know, you want the hat to be gray, but you want the hair to be blue, you can't really easily do that because they're the same PNG. You know? So that's a problem. Not really sure how to do that. I tried looking into making it only target this 00FF00 color of green, but apparently that's just impossible. Like, it was trying to get me to do like SVG masks and stuff using rectangles or some shit. And then there's another way of using like an HTML canvas, but then and just searching pixel by pixel, but apparently that's quite resource consuming. So I was kind of put off by that, especially because I needed this to be as instant as possible, because when this thing changes, so like body equals wedding and hair equals I don't know, Fez HB. Oh, I don't even know what the different hairs are. Hair 2. Like, it has to be instant when it loads the character because it has to change really quick in the overlay. Pete, what am I doing? I'm working on a character customizer so that you're able to change the way your character looks by hand. And it also will make my overlay a lot more robust and not as finicky when it comes to loading the characters. So you're just hue shifting it, not changing the color of the PNG. Yeah. Since the PNG itself, it just looks like, hold on, looks like this, for example. See, this is the front part of the cowboy pigtails hair. In OBS, what I would do is I would have two versions of this layer. The top one gets rid of green, like a green screen effect, gets rid of the green, and the bottom one has like a color filter applied to it. So you could be like, make it purple. The whole thing goes purple, but because the top layer is covering most of it with that hat, and it's only revealing the green part, the hat doesn't change color, but everything else underneath it does. You know what I mean? So that was cool for OBS, but I don't know how to do that with JavaScript and CSS and stuff. What if you change all the base colors to white and then any hue shift would give you the hue you want? What if you changed all the base colors to white? Could that work? I don't know if that could work. Could that work? There's another problem with that though, because then it's like, then your hat and your hair will be the same color every time, right? Which I don't think people would want. The canvas and pixel thing is what I did for the game map birthday thingy. There I checked the color if an invisible layer for different colors. Oh yeah, right. When you're moving around the map thing. White doesn't hue shift, otherwise the whole wedding dress would change? Right. You need to apply some sort of like multiply effect or something. The shadows are also going to be an issue. The shadow color changes, which is not ideal. I would either have to get rid of shadows or make the shadows neutral, like just a darker version rather than like a bluey purple or something. But then I don't like neutral shadow colors either. When it's just gray, it looks gross. I may have to get rid of shadows for the coloring parts anyway. Or for everything, maybe. I don't know. Not sure. What was I gonna do? Look back at the code here. Okay, so this is working. Sweet. Very nice, very nice. That way I don't need to have these hairback attributes at all. So I'm just gonna remove all of this. Oh, that looks really nice. Oh my god, that looks nice. I'm gonna do the same thing for the body as well. Oh, that's right. We're gonna do the problem is with these full-on mask hats like this, we want that to hide the eyes and mouth layer. That's the case. Do those have any... Oh shit, you can't see what I was doing, sorry. These full mask layers. Here. I want to hide the eyes and mouth. So the way I would do that is... Well, first of all, does that even have an underscore part of it? I don't even know which one that is. Furry Fox. Oh yeah, no. We're gonna have to change that. I'm gonna have to give the furry... I'm gonna give those ones a underscore full. I'm gonna give it underscore full. And then going back into my customizer. We'll do another one like this, but instead of this, it'll be check if it's full. Check if the current hairstyle label contains full. Full. Set the hair back image source to the... No, we don't want to do that. Set the hair back image source. We don't want to change the hair back. We want to change the eyes and mouth to be nothing. Oh, Jesus. Whoops. So yeah. If the hair options contains underscore full, change eyes to be blank. Oh, wait, but then what happens when it's not underscore full? How do I make it put the eyes and mouth back in? Do I even need to do that? Look what I sent you in Discord, Yoyoto. What did you send me? Oh, it actually works. The Twitch extension. Well, let me share this on stream here. That's pretty cool. Hold on. Wait, unless, what do you say? It's broken though? Oh wait, hold on. Ah, look at that, it's pretty cool. So Yoyota's got like a little Twitch extension panel at the bottom here, and it's kind of got the website customizer going. But it is broken at the moment because yeah, there's no scaling or any sort of thought to how it's supposed to look like. But cool though. Cool that it kind of works. Yeah, the scale's completely broken, but yeah. Excellent. Well, awesome proof of concept, Yoyoto. Thank you very much. Very cool. And also, Strike, leave the slider like it is and give 3 more options, brown, black, and gray. If you check one of those, the slider doesn't matter. That could be done in a string easily, I guess. Strike. Yeah. Doesn't feel very elegant, though. Doesn't feel elegant. Hmm. And also, that's what the else is for here. Else. Yeah, but then like what I have to just else what? Else function change eyes? Wait, how do I do it? Change eyes. Not really sure how this function works. I don't know what this next thing is. Oh, you can't see, sorry. The power. Hey, Greg. So you really like the Cult of Lamb Angry Birds thing, huh? It's pretty spicy. Though, I don't really... I don't really understand what's going on. I'm not sure why they're fighting so much. Is it because Angry Birds looks like the Duolingo bird or something? I was kind of confused. But it's always fun to see the Twitter social media managers have an argument. Else image elements eyes source equals current eyes option. Oh, okay. Oh, just this. Just this bit of code. The current eyes still does not contain full. Set the eyes and mouth image source to what it's meant to be. Okay, and then we'll do the same thing for the eye, for the mouth. Here it is. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, save that. and see if that works. Refresh. Okay, so here. Kind of works. There is something broken here. It's in the corner, you can see some text. That is because... Why is that happening? Why is that happening? It's not happening for the hair back. Why is it happening for the... Oops, you can't see. You can't see the... Like, it's showing the alt text. Oh, actually, maybe... Was it showing the alt text for the hair back too, but I just couldn't see it because it's behind everything? Ah. I wonder if it should just... Yeah, if it's pointing to nothing... Why is it still showing like a broken image? Can't I just hide it? Oh. No, I don't know. Oh, is it because I should just get rid of the alt? If I get rid of alt, and I go back over here. There we go. Sweet. So then we change the eyes to something else. Angry face. You go over here. You can't see the angry face. You come back. It's angry face again. Excellent. Oh man, I'm so stoked about that. Ha! Yay! Very cool. Okay. We're getting somewhere. Go back over here. And now let's plug in... I wonder, should we plug in the all the different other bodies and stuff? I think so. So going back to ChatGPT for a second. Over here. And I did that without ChatGPT. Yeah. Yeah. Especially if I have like a good template to work off. I think my strength, if you can call that in coding, comes from like, if you give me code that works, I can use that as like the Rosetta Stone, you know, and I can like make other things using just this bit of information as like, okay, gotta always refer to this, the whatever the hell, commandments, the tablet scripture, and then I can work off that. But I can't just like come up with something willy-nilly. You'll fire fry. Can you convert this list of files into a JSON array, but remove the .png and call each entry's data type as label? I should have just copy and pasted, but whatever. It is cool. I love it so much. There we go. Copy that. Bring it back into the code. Go into our data set thingy. Remove the old stuff. Paste all the good new stuff in. Delete the additional square brackets that we don't need. Nice. Save that. Go to our local character customizer again. Do a refresh. And now we should have all the different bodies. Yay! Excellent. Sweet. Oh! Oh, here's a problem. Haha. Okay. So if I have the full mask on top and then I change eyes, it'll overwrite my filter. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, that's an interesting dilemma. So I'd have to kind of like check to see if the current hair type has a full text in the file name, and if it does, then overwrite the source file name to blank again. Something like that. So we got change eyes. We're gonna have to do. We just have to do this again, don't we? Just copy and paste this. If hair options, current hair option that includes full, then don't do anything. Otherwise, do the thing. I think that's all we gotta do. Let me just copy that. And then paste it here. And then change this to be if it contains full, did nothing. Else, if it doesn't contain full, then change to this. Oops. Save that. Go to our thingamajiggy, do a refresh. Okay, so change to the full mask. Sweet. The eyes don't change. So if we make the eyes, okay, so they're angry. We go over here. We go change the eye. Okay, the eyes do change, but you just can't see them. Perfect. Oh, it's the supertext. Supertext is an efficient way of improving it. You don't need the part in the if. Just put an exclamation point in front of the if and move the else to the if. What the hell? What you talking about? What you talking about, supertext? So if exclamation point, then do the thingy. Oh. Oh, I see what you're saying. So if it doesn't include full, then do this. And then we don't need an else. Oops. Like this. Okay. Gonna refresh. So sweet. Thank you, supertext. That does look nicer. And it works. Very nice. Check if the current hair does not contain full. Let's just change. Eyes. Oh, yeah, update. Show eyes if the current hairstyle label does not contain full. Sweet. Do the same thing for the mouth. Show mouth if the current hairstyle label does not contain full. Save that. Go back into the Chrome. refresh, go to the sweet. It works. So now you can change the hair, change the eyes and mouth and everything. And then once there is a full mask, it simply just hides the eyes and mouth. You can still change the eyes and mouth. They do get updated, but you just can't see it until you take off your full mask. Just like that. Hey, look, the characters are almost the same right now in the corner. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. Also, show random VIP is not working for some reason. It was not turned on. Let me turn it back on. Okay, I think that might be a good place to end on, maybe, while everyone's asleep. Some good progress there. Actually, one last thing I want to do. I want to just get all the other files in there, just so we have all the different eyes and mouths working. That'll feel satisfying. So I'm just going to do the same question as before, but this time with our eyes. Same request as before, but now with these files instead. God damn it. Refresh. Not asleep, not asleep. Playing games. I'm the background noise. Cozy. And reshare. I really only have the most basic idea of how this works, but it's so interesting. Yeah, I'm glad you think it's interesting. Same request as before, but with these. So cool, right? Didn't even have to like specify exactly what I wanted. It just remembered because it's in the same conversation. It knows the context. Yuko, it's not even midday here? Oh yes, you're a little earlier than here. For me, it's like lunchtime. 1:17. Let's copy those. Those are our eyes. Whoop. Boop. And then let's do the same for the mouth. So I'm just gonna open up the mouth text file that I have. Copy them, go to ChatGPT. Thanks. Now same again with this. Oof. You're trying to decide what's for dinner, Firefly? What are your options? I'll help you decide. And to power, you're designing some quizzes for your students. You're my background noise. What kind of quizzes? Copy the code, go to thingamajiggy, and then paste. Remove those lines. Save. Go back to Chrome, refresh, and now... here's another problem. Here's another problem. Some of these eyes should hide the mouth. As well. I think I only have like... Do I only have one? Some of these don't even actually work together at all. Oh god. Oh no. I mean, whatever. Whatever. It's up to the person how they want to look. Like, I think it's just this one. This one has a little cute face. Although it kind of looks like a nose. So it's the same thing as the hat with the mask. We just need to have like a full tag or something, and then or no mouth or something, and then just make sure it doesn't do the mouth. Also, Firefighter, trying to decide on what type of ramen to get. Nice. Spicy? What kind of ramen do I like? Shoyu? Pork ramen? Shoyu? Is it the right one? I don't know. Whatever the main one is, I think. Whenever there's a menu and there's like, oh, here are classics or favorites, I go favorite 1A. Thank you very much. Can't go wrong with 1A. But anyway, I'm gonna do this later because I'm hungry as hell. I'm gonna have a no mouth tag, I guess you could call it, in one of these file names. I'm not even sure which one it is. Oh, it's not mouth. Whoops, it's an eyes. Oh, here we go. I already have the no mouth. Oof, there it is. No mouth, no mouth, no mouth. No mouth, no mouth. Yeah. Actually, I may as well just do that now before I forget. It's the same thing as the hair. Just copy all this. And then paste it here. Oh, wait, no, not the... Wait, what the hell? Show mouth of the current hairstyle. Oh, yeah. Oh, here's an interesting thing. What about... Okay, so okay, this is interesting. Here it is. We show the mouth if the current hairstyle does not contain _full. But I also don't want to show the mouth. I also only want to show the mouth if the eyes doesn't contain _no mouth. So we use an OR operator, which looks like, oh shit, sorry, I couldn't even see, I was scroll down, which looks like this. If hair options doesn't contain full, or eyes options, current eyes option, label includes no mouth. So let's just say show the mouth as long as either the hair one doesn't include this in the name or the eyes doesn't include no mouth in the name. Save that, refresh, check this out. Doesn't work. Ah, shit. Wait, did I do something bad? Oh shit, you can't see either. Oh, of course, wait, it's because I put it in the change mouth function, but what I'm actually doing is I'm changing the eyes. Super Tuxedo, yeah, now it starts to get complicated, and I guess you end up with a lot of code duplication, or you need to refactor the code so you can reuse the existing code without duplicating it. Uh-oh. Did I forget to show you again? Oh my god, I keep showing the wrong window. Yeah, I'm gonna have to think about this. Oh well, code duplication it is, yes. It's Gregor we're talking about. We're lucky he's doing the code once. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna have to duplicate a lot of code. Oh well. But good progress so far. Proud of me? Oh, thank you very much, Yodo. I'm proud of you too. I'm proud of all of you. Especially Yodo, I tried to do the copy string thing and it works on my side. You can totally do this. The Twitch extension panel, good to know. Thank you very much. And thank you everyone for watching. I think this was... Oh, here's another one where you shouldn't show a mouth, because it already has its own mouth. Sweet. Ah, this is gonna be a lot of fun. to mess with once it works. Excellent. Rishu, seriously, this is really complicated stuff, and it's just for fun. Thanks for thinking of us, Greg. Hey, no worries. Because yeah, I understand. It totally sucks to try and like just use your bees to randomly re-roll and hope for the best. Like, there's no way you're ever going to get the character that you want, and this seems like the best way to do it. And ooh, let's end on this note here. Screenshot from Yoyoto. Twitch extension panel. Look at this. Look at this. It spits out the string. Nice. Very nice. Very, very cool. I gotta get this functionality working on the actual site as well. Send me your code. Excellent. Okay. All right. Well, let's go away now. Let's all leave. But first, let's find a raid and end with that. Doop, 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 doop. Let's see. Oh, my back so sweaty, so moist. Let's go with. Let's go with. Oh, I think we will be. Oh, the ripped that one guy who spent 40,000 bees last week re-rolling his character. Well, they got 40,000 bees from that lucky big win panel prediction. So easy come, easy go. Okay, we're gonna be rating Attack Rack. We're gonna be rating Attack Rack. Pump some life back into you all after such a chill, slow burn. Be prepared to get a boost of adrenaline and energy with Attack Racks. Art stream, currently drawing a rabbit pointing a gun made out of a carrot. I think it's an emote. Looks good. Let's go send her some loading hours love, and I will see you all in tomorrow's stream. Thank you very much for joining. Thank you very much for being here for the first hype train ever. It was a big success. Nothing broke too bad. And looking forward to seeing this character thingy come to life. So, goodbye, farewell, and take care. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye. Cheerio.